Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday 11th August 2020 and let's begin today's English lesson. Today we are going to learn about prefixes. But before starting today's lesson, let's review what was homework given to you yesterday. Yesterday I gave you to highlight or to color rhyming words in the poem, and I gave you in diary to learn the vocabulary words. So on textbook page number 34, right? This is the vocabulary: bow, broad, care, enrich, glance, stare, right? Bow means a branch, broad, full or open, care, a worry, enrich, to make rich, glance means a quick look, stare means to look at something for a long time, and it means to gaze, beneath, under, right? Stare, enrich, daylight, and stream. These are the vocabulary words which we discussed yesterday, and that's how you were supposed to color the rhyming words. You see: care, stare, bow, bows, cows, pass, grass, light, night, glance, dance, can, began, care, stare. And this poem, Leisure, was written by poet William H. Davies. Alright, and the main idea of the poem was that the poet is trying to say in this poem that everyone is so busy in our life. All of us are very busy in our life that we have no time to see the beautiful things around us. And in this poem, you see this is a stream. ये नहर है, यहाँ पे squirrel, and you see the beauty around us, but we are so busy in our lives that our life has become full of worries, and ये इतनी burdenized है कि हमारे पास time नहीं है इसको enjoy करना. Leisure means time to rest and relax from work. So that's how we recited the poem yesterday, and today we are going to learn about prefix on textbook page number 35. Prefix. So what is a prefix? Prefix is a group of word, or you can say a word which is added at the beginning of a word, and sometimes it changes the meaning of the base word. And let's look at the examples. Alright, do you know what these prefixes stand for? N. You see the words which are highlighted in orange, these are the prefix: n, un, in, dis, right? N means to make more. Un, it has a negative meaning, not. In, not. And dis also means not. ये भी reverse कर देता है, right? So it has a reversal meaning. In, dis, un, these are negative prefixes, and n means within or to make more. So a prefix is a group of word which is added before, or you can say that at the beginning of a base word. The poem which we read yesterday, इसमें भी एक prefix है, enrich, right? Enrich is a word which has a prefix, en. Enrich means to make rich, or you can say to improve the quality, right? So after studying these examples: enrich, enable, incorrect, inability, inaccurate, dissatisfied, disappear, unlikely, unsuitable, unable, we have to attempt this one part of the exercise B2 in our notebook. Copy the prefixes and words into your notebook. Add more words to each list. Alright, enrich means to improve the quality. Enable means to make someone able of doing something, right? Incorrect means that is wrong. Inability, someone who's incapable. Inaccurate means something which is not correct. Dissatisfied means disagree. If you disagree, if you are unsatisfied. Disappear means something which vanish, जो एकदम चीज़ गायब हो जाती है. Unlikely means जो उस तरह से नहीं हो रही, बिल्कुल opposite side पे हो रही है. Unsuitable, something that does not suit you. Unable means you are not able of doing something, you are not capable of doing something. Again, children, you have to practice your dictionary skill, and I will show you that how would you do this. First of all, let's take a look at more examples of prefix. Alright, in English language there are many prefixes. You see, anti, d, dis, n, m, force, in, im, ill, inter, mid, re, un. So these are the examples of different prefixes. Again, a prefix is a group of word which is added before a base word, right? For this one, let me show you. For example, un is a prefix, and un means not, right? Un means not. When we add this prefix to a base word, it makes negative of that word. कि उसका वो negative उसका opposite बना देता है. For example, happy. You see, you know the meaning of happy. जब आप बहुत खुश होते हैं, happy. But when we add a prefix un before this, so it makes unhappy, which is opposite of happy. You see, un is a prefix. You see, un is a prefix, and here you see this is happy. Happy is the base word. Happy एक word है, base word है, और जब आप इसके साथ prefix add कर देते हैं un, it makes negative of this. ये इसका opposite बना देता है unhappy. Unwell. Well means when you're good, you're feeling great. Unwell means when you're sick. Unwell. Un is the prefix. Uncertain. Right? Uncertain, when you're not sure about something. So un is the prefix. Uncomfortable. Comfortable is the base word, and un is the prefix. Unlucky. Unlucky. Unsafe. You see, un is the prefix, right? Unhelpful, when somebody is not willing to help you. Unhelpful. Unkind, right? You see, इस तरह से जब हम prefix add करेंगे before these base words, ये इसको negative बना देंगे, इसका opposite बना देंगे. Chained, unchained. You see, यहाँ पे chain लग रही है ना आपको? एक prisoner है, उसके हाथों में chain है, handcuffs हैं, और unchained mean जब उसकी chain यहाँ पे broken आपको नज़र आ रही है. Tidy, untidy. Tidy means clean, and untidy means not clean. Messy. Untidy means messy. So these are different examples of using prefix before the base word, right? Unhappy, unwell, uncertain, unlucky, unsafe, unhelpful, unkind, untidy, and unchained. All right. Now I would like you to show this one book. This is a resource book from our school library, and here we are going to read some of the prefix. A prefix is a group of word which is added before a base word. Un, dis, de, re, pre, right? So can you find few words which have prefix before them? Yes, absolutely, that's correct. Disobey, disagree, untidy, right? And let's see what we have here. Untidy, untie, unwell, dislike, right? Dis is the prefix. Disobey, disagree, decode, diffuse, refill, revisit, preset, and preview. Un, dis, de, re, pre. So these are the more examples of prefixes. All right. So now let's move towards our notebook. Please take out your notebooks. First of all, you have to prepare your notebook. As you see right now in the video, draw a margin line, then write down classwork, Tuesday, followed by the date 11th August 2020, and then unit number 6, leisure, topic, prefix. Alright, यहाँ पे हमारे पास same वो ही prefixes हैं. Alright, let me show you the book, page number 35. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या prefix थे? First, n, un, in, dis, right? So हमने यहाँ पे prefix को पहले ready करना है. n, un, dis, in, right? And after that we have to add more words to these. हमने इनमें more words add करने हैं, examples add करनी है. और endanger, endanger, यहाँ पे prefix क्या है हमारे पास? What is the prefix? Can you mark the prefix here? Yes, endanger, enable, enrich, encircle, untidy, untie. टाई की टाई मीन्स किसी चीज़ को जब आप बांधते हैं, टाई करते हैं. अनटाई जब आप उसकी टाई खोल देते हैं. अनवेल, अनहैप्पी, disobey, disown, disappear and disorder. Disorder means physically illness और मेंटल इलनेस, कोई बीमारी या कुछ जब ख़राबी पैदा हो जाती है इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, और डिसऑर्डर किसी और चीज़ में भी, किसी मशीन में भी हो सकता है. Incorrect, incorrect means not correct. Inactive, someone who's not active. Incomplete, incomplete, complete means जब वो मुकम्मल है. Incomplete is the opposite, it makes the negative. Inexpensive, expensive means something which cost a lot of money, and inexpensive which is cheap in quality and it cost low money. So that's how we have used different prefixes before the base word. ये root word है हमारे और हमने इनके साथ different prefix add किए हैं. And please write down the meanings in bracket as well. En means to make more, un means not, this, not, in, not. Alright children? Here I have used blue pointer and green pointer to make it visible and prominent. यहाँ पे मैंने इसको prominent करने के लिए write किया है. आप इसको pencil से या चाहें तो आप highlighter use कर सकते हैं, right? And after completing your work, you have to fill up your index at the beginning of your notebook, alright? So you will fill up your index as well. Alright children, after watching the video, you will go in the folder of notes. वहाँ पे ये notes upload किए हैं. आप please इसे अपनी notebook पे complete कीजिएगा और अपना class work आप complete करेंगे, alright? Now I would like you how to search these words with meaning in the dictionaries. Alright, for example, let's take right now, first of all take out your dictionaries. Alright, and जब dictionaries आप अपनी निकालेंगे, you know that alphabetically यहाँ पे सब words arrange है. For example, we are going to search the meaning of endanger. Endanger means something, someone or something which is in danger. Actually वो चीज़ जिसको ख़तरा है, जो ख़तरे में है, right? To make more ना, so endanger. So we will directly go in E. A, B, C, D. Alright, E. Here we go. N, E, N, D. C and yes. Well, here E and here we go. Yes. Endanger, you see, endanger, this is the entry word. You see, endanger, this is the entry word. और इसके साथ आप देख रहे हैं write किया हुआ verb. It shows that this is the verb. Endanger is the verb. Endangers, endangering and endangered. यहाँ पे verb की forms दी होंगी साथ आपके और इसका meaning है put in danger. Endangered is adjective. In danger of extinction. वो animals, वो creatures जो extinction पे आ गए हैं, जो दुनिया में ख़त्म होने की तरफ जा रहे हैं, जिनकी नस्ल ख़त्म होती जा रही है. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको पता है डायनासोर्स जो हैं वो तो एक्सटिंक्ट हैं, हो चुके हैं, बट पांडाज हैं और इस तरह के एनिमल्स हैं जो एंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स हैं, जिनको जो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दुनिया से कम होते जा रहे हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल प्रैक्टिस द वर्ड्स इन द डिक्शनरी. आपने अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में सर्च करना है. बट देयर इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद यू कि जब आप एक वर्ड सर्च करेंगे, ऑलराइट, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू सर्च एनी वर्ड विद दिस, राइट, फॉर एग्जांपल डिसओबे. सो यहाँ पे भी ये डिक्शनरी में आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली वी विल गो टू द डी. ऑलराइट, यहाँ पे डी है हमारे पास. अब डिसऑनेस्टी, डिसऑनेस्ट, इसमें यहाँ पे प्रीफिक्स यूज़ हुआ है डिस. सो हमारे पास यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आ जाएंगे जो नेगेटिव में होंगे, राइट. सो आप अपनी लिस्ट है जो उसको उसमें और भी ऑप्शंस राइट कर सकते हैं, राइट. डिसऑनेस्ट, डिसलाइक, यू सी, डिसलाइक. सो आपके पास डिक्शनरी को जब आप रीड करेंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तो आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस और बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे इस तरह से, ऑलराइट. Now I would like you to use a post-it note, right? आप कोई सा भी sticky note, ये जिसको आप कहते हैं post-it note, आप कोई सा भी लेंगे, उसको use करेंगे, and I would like you to paste it here, alright, and write down about prefix. Alright, sorry, prefix. What is a prefix? Prefix a group of word added at the beginning of base word. और इसकी एग्जाम्पल है बहुत सारी. N, as you see, N, right, in, dis, right, and un. इसके अलावा भी हमने एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ी हैं, pre, de, re. So ये भी इसकी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. Alright, and इसमें आप और लिस्ट में ऐड कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल disown, right, and unkind, right, unkind, right, and unknown. Then enclose. Close means किसी चीज़ को बंद करना, close करना, and enclose. Alright, and then enlist, list up करना, किसी चीज़ को list बनाना. enlist, to make more. En means to make more. And then incapable. So it's all about vocabulary. आप यहाँ पे सर्च करने के बाद अपनी लिस्ट में कोई सा भी वर्ड्स राइट कर सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जो मैंने राइट किए आप वही राइट करेंगे. You can search and explore your own vocabulary. Alright, so that's how you will use a post-it note here as well. Alright, now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is that you have to complete your classwork. Alright, after completing your classwork, children, you have to learn the prefixes and on textbook page number 35, and you have to complete the vocabulary as well. And don't forget to add few more words to your list. आपने prefixes के साथ different prefix use करके अपनी list को add करना है. राइट, यहाँ पे हमने un के साथ बहुत सारे words बनाए थे. Unhappy, uncertain, unlucky. So similarly on this, by using the dictionary, आपने बहुत सारे words को जो है prefix के साथ use करना है. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.